see how long it takes Yori to figure this out. Hit your button. Here you go. Hit the button. Baby girl, hit the button.
It's like remote.
Her button is remote, yeah. Hit the button, baby. Hit the button.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Hit the button again, it'll give you another treat. Hit the button, it'll give you another treat. No, not that one.
Nope, not that one.
That's where it came from. Hit your button over there. Almost. Yes, no, that one. I didn't do it. Here, baby. Hit
Baby
the
girl.
button over there.
Button. Hit your button.
There you go. Look. Oh,
Oh,
see?
that was a good treat. See if she'll figure it out on her
Chew
own.
the top off.
See if she'll figure it out on her own. Bayou's over there losing his mind.
Yeah. See. You couldn't figure that out. Just like,
Nope.
good girl. Look at you, smarty pants.
I mean, it only took her about us telling her about 3 times.
Or leave them out.
Hey, hey, hey. You gotta hit your button to get it. You can't just dig in there.
Yeah, Mom,
She's like, if it's her dog food, she's spitting it back out. She's like, that's not a good treat. Oh. Uh-oh.
get stuck.
Got stuck. Let me check. Let me check. Mom didn't make it. Maybe I didn't make it white enough. Give a little more incentive. Okay, try again. Hit your button again. She's not like the regular dog food. She's like, where are the crock of shit? She's like, I'm just...
Don't try to trick me with that shit.
Okay, let me try moving the button a little further away. Come here. Put the button over here. You need to get out of the way. You will be a snack. Oh, she figured that out pretty quickly. See if she goes back. Hey friends, wow, if you've made it this far into the video, I'm very impressed. And if you are new here, well, let me take this moment because this is quite a long video to explain everything that you see here. So first off, let's start with our star of the show, Yori. Yori is our 2-year-old Akita, and she is an absolutely brilliant and magnificent creature that we get to spend every day of our life
I didn't
with.
even have to tell her.
I thought that
Yeah.
this viral TikTok dog dispensing toy would be a good option for us because, as you can see, we live in an RV. And welcome to Fly the Coop RV, where my partner James, who is that sexy male voice that you hear in the background, and our 2 dogs, Yori, and as you saw earlier, the little Chihuahua Bayou, travel the country full-time in our RV. Now, as much as RV life has been completely amazing and enriching, even for us and our dogs, it also comes with a little bit of challenges. We just actually went through a great snowstorm of 2025 down here in Galveston, Texas. And for 3 days, unfortunately, this little girl was stuck inside. And this is where RV life can have its own set of hurdles that you might have to go through, that you have to get creative as a dog mom to get around. So this treat dispensing toy seemed like a great idea to try to burn some energy on some days where maybe it's not so nice and easy for her to be outside exploring. But as you can see, she's quickly going through all of the steps of this toy.
Good girl. Good girl.
Yori, what? Yori, what? Nope, if you hit those buttons, it doesn't make that one go. Sorry. But that was a good try. Yeah, that was a good try. Makes sense.
that one was a good one. There was lots of good treats in that one. Alright, we'll move her back even further.
She felt like she got cheated on that one. And it goes. No, she's eating it 2 at a time.
It's not done. Once and you get more than one treat.
Or 11 minutes into this game, and we're already hitting it twice so that we can get extra. That is such an Akita thing.
Good girl. Smart pants.
Do it again. Like, you can't make this shit up.
So she's sorting out her food.
Yes, she is sorting it out. Yes, she does not like the dog food. We're just eating the treats that are in that. Which now I kind of feel bad for putting the dog food in, because it really should have just been all treats, really.
You have to work so hard. Mama making you work so hard.